Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the S6 ROM on your Galaxy S4 I9505. I'm using it about 1 week, and as far as now I can say it's a good ROM, stable and fast. It's based on an Android Lollipop 4.2.2. It's good, fast, it has so many features of Galaxy S6, including camera, stock, gallery, calculator, clock, and so many more. The camera is perfect, it has so many features. It includes a mode of Galaxy S6, panorama, and so many more. And you can see this, it has of course the resolution settings. It includes the 16 frames, but it doesn't work, and other stuff. The browser is so fast, I can say maybe better than Google Chrome. Anyway, let's jump at the computer and I will show you how to install files and everything you need. But remember one thing before we start, you need a CLOCKWORKMOD recovery. So now you need to download a S6 ROM file. You can download it from the XA page. Links are all in description. Just go to the XA page, scroll down, you will find all the future updates and everything there. Just click on this, the description of that, click on again, once again, and download the mega page. I already downloaded it, so let's just connect your phone with PC with using a USB cable and copy paste it to your phone memory or SD card, doesn't matter. I already copy pasted it, so I will just skip this. Now after we pasted it, we have to go to the phone and go to recovery mode. Now remove the USB cable and we have to go now in recovery mode, but first just power off the phone. You need to hold on the volume up, power button and home button at the same time, and when the Samsung logo appears you have to move out the fingers from the power button. Just hold for about 7 to 8 seconds. Remove the fingers and wait until it go to recovery mode. For myself, I've been with recovery project, it doesn't matter. Anyway, first we have to wipe date, cache and system before we install the ROM. Go to advanced wipe, click on dalvick cache, data and system, and swipe to wipe. After we have wiped everything, move on to install the ROM. Go to install and choose the place where you have put the ROM. In my case, my phone memory. scroll down to the ROM, select it, and swipe to confirm flash. Wait about 3 minutes and I will come back when it finished. Now after the install is done, just we have to reboot the phone. Click on system and be patient. Wait about 15 minutes for the first boot. It takes longer. I will skip this. Now the boot is done. I just write my SIM card code, select the language, just writing like Wi-Fi code. Now